Today I wanted to share an update about the federal legal challenge of the US-Canada Safe Third Country Agreement. In July 2017, the Canadian Council for Refugees, Amnesty International, and the Canadian Council of Churches, of which Project Ploughshares is an operating division, joined an individual litigant and her children in a legal challenge of the designation of the United States as a, quote, safe third country. People turned back from Canada under this agreement are at risk of being sent interned by the US to face persecution, torture, and even death in their home countries. The litigation is still in the preliminary stages and a hearing is scheduled for January 2019. In the meantime, it's helpful to be aware of the facts and accurate terminology to avoid alarmist and dangerous rhetoric, which can instill unsubstantiated fears about refugees in Canada. First, some asylum seekers are not entering Canada through official border points, but this is not quote-unquote illegal. Under Canadian and international law, it is not a crime to cross a border without authorization if this is to seek asylum. Due to circumstances asylum seekers are fleeing, they can often be compelled to enter a territory without the required travel documents or prior authorizations. The Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada uses the term irregular to describe border crossings between ports of entry. Second, the entry of irregular border crossers into Canada is not a crisis. Even those who arrive through irregular channels are all apprehended by authorities. And that's because people coming to Canada to seek safety will volunteer and hand themselves to the authorities as they want their refugee claims to be processed. As the litigation proceeds, it's important to demystify some of these crucial aspects surrounding both the language and facts. As we know from experience, both of these can affect public opinion in a strong way. If you're interested in learning more about the Safe Third Country Agreement and what you can do to help, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.